Hi, so in this video we're going to be showing how we can use log points with Web Replay to dynamically add console messages to a page's history and be able to investigate the activity that's occurred while it's been running. So we're going to start by recording this tab, and then we're just going to start using it. We'll start adding some to-dos. And what we can see here is that this page is just kind of flaky. Sometimes the to-dos get added successfully and sometimes they don't. We can look at the console to see what could be going wrong, but there's nothing there. Now, we could go and add some console.log calls to the source and then reload the page, but we have to be able to reliably reproduce the problem for that to work well, and it's just kind of a cumbersome workflow in general. If we use log points with Web Replay, we can do this much more directly and much more efficiently. I'm going to show you how to do that. So first we're going to go to this line where the to-dos are rendered, and we're going to add a log point for the value that gets fed into the title of the to-dos, this.model.attributes.title. And we can see here that we've populated the console with points for each place where a to-do was added. And if we go into the console pane, we can see all of these title values that were encountered. And most of these are correct, but a few of them are empty strings. And we can jump to one of these to see what the JS state looked like at that point. If we go back to the debugger, we can view what this .model.attributes is and see that it does indeed have a blank title field incorrectly. And now we'll start working our way back to figure out what happened here. So we're going to step back, and when we end up in the calling frame, we can see what the problem probably is, which is that the title field gets assigned a blank value if a random value is less than 0.3. So 70% of the time this will work fine, 30% of the time it won't. But the fact that this problem only occurs intermittently doesn't matter when we're using Web Replay, because the recording has captured all of the non-deterministic behaviors of the page, and when replaying we will see the exact same values, the exact same control flow, all the same behaviors that we originally did while recording.